Good day everyone, this is the XP Pen Deco 1 version 2 digital graphic drawing tablet. In this video, we will unbox this Deco 1 version 2 that we had ordered from Shopee. If you are interested, then please stay tuned. But if you're not, okay na po. Time to decorate your life with Deco 1 version 2. It comes with a 10 by 6.25 inch working area, so you have more space to create and get work done. It comes with a screen protector na kayang protektahan pati ang inyong relasyon. Meron din siyang lagayan ng stylus pen. At syempre, meron ding passive pen. Bakit passive pen? Abay, iwan ko. And this whole thing is useless without this USB cable. And together with the USB cable is the anti-fouling drawing glove. And we have this user's manual na hindi naman binabasa. This USB cable is used to connect with your drawing tablet to your PC or laptop. It also consists of this micro USB adapter and Type-C USB adapter to connect it to your tablet and Android cell phone. If you are an iOS user, bad news kasi wala po siyang kasamang iOS adapter. So, you'll need to buy separately the iOS adapter to connect it with your iOS devices. So that's all for the quick glimpse of this Deco 01 version 2 XP pen. It's a drawing tablet. Pwede po nating magamit as a student kung mahilig ka sa art, or kung ikaw ay isang teacher, pwede mo itong magamit for your online demonstration, especially if you are a math or science teacher. And if you want the full tutorial for this product, just comment down below, and I will just put the description below also kung magkano ang price ng items na ito. And that's all for now, and thank you.